about to have another shoulder go out here. Oh boy.
Oh my god, dude, this girl is insane.
Careful what you ask for, she just might get it.
What's up, everyone? We are here at Pastranaland for the 3rd annual 43i Day, donated by Travis Pastrana himself.
Always a fun day. We get a lot of fun people out here. The blocks come out, and we get the winners. You guys, thank you so much for the support. 43i, this is freaking awesome. Who are you guys?
My name is Jonathan Ferrer, designer and founder of Brew Watch Company. I'm here with my close friends. We have Jose, we have Will, Darshan, we got Mark. Anthony came from New Jersey. We thought this would be an amazing time with you. Pay respects to Ken Block through the 43i organization.
All right, what do you guys really want to do today?
Backflips.
Backflips, all right.
Well, honestly,
are you sure?
Anything you do here is probably once in a lifetime experience.
And we're 43i, so what, 43i, what does this do?
We support other organizations with Ken's name and the audience that he has built. Raise funds to give to other organizations that are doing amazing things with kids underserved that can get education, can go do sports and activities, a lot with schools.
We call it motivating misfits.
Yes, and we give opportunities to those that would not have them otherwise.
All right, well, it's going to be a fun day. Thank you for bidding. Thank you for supporting 43i. Yep. And yeah, careful what you ask for. You just might get it. Look, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna go level 1. Everyone come on up here. So this is the slide house. My wife obviously has her she shed. Level 1, step out, land out. Whoa. Want to add flair, you can do it others. Level 1.5, sit here and go in. You will be judged, it's okay. Now level 3, if you come up a little short, you hurt your tailbone. If you go a little long, you break your back, so don't go too far. And that is what an 11-year-old kid did on a skateboard and dropped in on the skateboard and then aired out this like 10 feet. Anyway, so who wants to start at level 1.5?
Mike, are you going to do this? Sure. Micah.
Yeah! You see that face? You thought you were going too far, didn't you? You thought you were going too far.
Oh yeah.
No hesitation. I like it.
Oh my God! Oh, we got one level 2! Level 2!
I'm just looking at it.
Hold on. Yes! Hey! Congratulations. Hey. Represented well for your crew. That was awesome. Yeah. Legs. They had a good shake going. Level 3, 1.5.
We went together. Yeah.
Okay, here I'll just kind of quick show you guys around real quick and then we'll head out and get some fun stuff. Well, welcome to the turf track. Woohoo! We are off to the most tame pit bike race we've ever had in the history of Pastranaland. Oh, here we go, we might have a crash. Yes, going for it, go, 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 go. Oh. All right, we're getting slightly better. We've taken it up to level 1.
Oh, watch out, watch out.
All right, level 2. There's level 2. We're coming for it. Let's go. Is your shoulder okay? He's like, dislocated. Yeah. Got it? Yep. All right, oh, it's out. It's fully out. All right, here we go. You know, he's back, boys. He's back. All right, he's taking it up to like a level 5 now. We got his shoulder back in.
Yeah, let's go.
Ready to race. Okay. Woo. All right, so we're going to go with the people that are here. Okay? You pick first. Go.
Micah.
Micah. All right. Big man.
Will.
Will. Yeah, I'll take you. You're closest. All right.
Sorry.
Mark.
To help with his naming?
I don't know.
John. All right.
They're all
Actually, John was
simple names.
you were ripping. Jose. I mean, we got to pick dislocation. Are you in or are you out?
He's in. Let's do it.
Gray.
I'm in?
Yes.
I gotta put pants on.
No, bro. You said you was not racing.
I didn't know I was in.
Why did you show up to Pastranaland without?
Because I never wear pants.
You
I never put. I always wear shorts.
And Banks, you get last pick.
Mama block. She hasn't done a lap yet.
Yes!
But I need pants.
We'll go put some pants on.
All right.
Everyone's getting pants on, and we're gonna send this. Here we go.
Riders, are you ready? Get set, go! Whoa! Oh no! Oh my God! We're going! We're about to have another shoulder go out here. And he's down. Whoa! Oh my God.
We got this.
Who's in the lead?
All right, Lucy Block is in the lead right now. Like Gray Ledbetter.
Are you sure?
Yes. Someone, third person, jump on this. Go, 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 go. Come on, my God.
Come on, Michael, he's out there.
Back in the lead. There we go. Team 199 out front. 199. Hey, first loser. Good job. All right, backflips in the foam pit. Let's go. So, all right. How many of you haven't done a backflip on a trampoline? Have not. 3 of you guys want to do backflips on dirt bikes. You haven't even tried on a trampoline before you got here. Diving boards, anything?
Oh yeah, diving boards.
Oh yeah. Of you wants to do a backflip, so we got to get you doing flips on the trampoline. If you can't commit to doing a backflip on a trampoline, you will not commit out here. And that usually entails throwing motorcycles or your body off the side. If you look over your right shoulder, you will be probably eligible for an orange hat. That's what you get when you get airlifted out of here. There's 2 ways to get an orange hat. 1, airlift. 2, you do a world's first, something that's never been done here before. But as long as you can commit to doing it on the trampoline, because that's super soft. And if you can't do it there, I guarantee you it's not gonna, no matter what you think, it's not gonna happen. So you gotta take off before you flip. Perfect. Yes.
How do I jump on this?
Let it bounce you.
He wasn't even off the ground when he got the flip around. That was great. That was perfect. You're fine. Perfect. Dude, I've got no problem with any of these guys flipping. That was good. That was solid. Here's the deal. If the first person is like takes off and throws the bike and it lands on them and it hits them and they come across like, or they miss the pit and they take a medevac out and they go to the hospital, it really just it kills the chance of anyone else succeeding. So no pressure, but whoever goes first, I just need the person that's the most committed. Accountants that are the best motocrossers and they're great on the trampoline, that think a lot, will not do this. So we're gonna test your IQ level by how well you are. And don't, hey, if you guys do horrible at this, it just means you're smart. So high five, you know? Good job. So, and if you do bad, guess what? You're one of us, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. So let's go.
My biggest fear is just drowning in the foam. Like going too deep and then like, where am I?
I don't want to be that guy, but to be honest, there's no pain involved in this if you just don't turn right. Drowning in the foam and claustrophobia. I'm down there, I'm like, whoosah, whoosah.
Yeah.
Get me the f out. We got a good team. You'll get out real quick. Legs straight, weight back, so when you go back, it's there. Even a little further, come back up. Yeah, there you go. 1, 2, 3, backflip. All right, you see how that front end came off? That's perfect. Go straight, hold on. Go straight, hold on. If you fully commit and you keep looking back, if your head goes forward, you're like, where are we going? Your feet come off. So all you have to do, and if you go in upside down, guess what happens? Nothing. It's super soft, and they will. Piranha is one of the best. He's gonna get you out instantaneously. You see him, you got a ball of nerves. Just go through the process.
What went wrong? wrong?
A lot. There's really too much to explain on camera. He didn't go full throttle. He didn't fully commit. He leaned right.
Is this like a 9 lives type of thing? Do you have more? Or that's a close call for the day. We're done, right? With that. You're not done, but the close calls are done.
Absolutely.
Okay, good.
How was it first time?
Awesome. Honestly, I feel way better now.
Took off. He wanted to flip. The second he got in the air, he did not want to be there. He was like, yes, no, please, God, why are we upside down? I got you, man. I got you. You're good.
There you go.
It's not what it looks like.
Yeah, buddy.
Sorry. Go down, go down, go down. I feel y'all sleeping good.
Let's go, baby.
Yeah.
That's what we're talking about.
Whoa. How many times did it take you when you did it?
I did once.
You just did once?
I did once.
With one take wonder?
You let go of the handlebars the first time.
My first time, I went like to the sky, let go of the handlebars, but was still connected by my feet, landed upside down, and the bike went ka-chow. Yeah!
Come on. 1, 2, 3, flip. That's it.
Okay.
Do it again?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go. That's a perfect flip. All right. Off, take off. That's all you need.
Thanks, sir.
All right, buddy.
All right.
Make it happen.
Let's go.
You got it. All right, here we go. Not a lot of bike skills, not a lot of flip skills, but this whole crew's coming through in clutch. A lot of commitment.
You can still ride it, I guess.
Use your good shoulder.
Still runs.
You saved yourself, but that bike went.
You sent it.
That bike went to the stratosphere.
I that up big time.
Yeah, you could have
I
followed
felt
the
it. I
bike.
felt it the second I hit the top. I was like, I'm going the wrong way.
Oh,
Steve, were you standing? Did it almost land on you?
Figured you were going right.
How did you react, Steve, when the bike hit the side and fell off?
It moved so I didn't get hit.
Like, show me
I
what
like the
was your
bounce.
facial reaction.
That one.
That is his facial reaction.
That's what I'm getting at. I think, Steve, on 3, 2, 1, act like the bike was coming. 1, 2, 3.
You're just getting beat up today.
Is it still in place at least?
Nope.
Oh no!
Is it really?
Yep, it's out.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Hey, dangle it again. Try the dangle.
dangle.
It's relaxed. There it is. That's it. It's
Good.
in. It's in.
Back in.
It's in. Right out again.
No! Is it back in? You got it back in now.
It's back. Now I know what to do.
Yeah, just- Oh, I'm so sorry.
this is so awesome.
Second dislocation of the day. All right.
Worth it.
All right, let's go ride some Can-Ams.
Yeah.
girl's insane.
What? What was that?
This girl is insane.
How was it?
I'm so happy. I am the happiest person in the world. That was incredible.
That was amazing. I've watched it race so many times, there's nothing like being in the vehicle. Even when you put it on 2 wheels for a little bit. I trust you. I trust you.
Oh, that's great,
Trying to get him to go faster. At the stroke, we got 30-mile-an-hour speed limits, but they're only going 25.
This is by far the best experience I've ever had in my life. I also didn't know I could go this fast.
Great, man. You did really good. And all the vehicles are still together.
Why would you say that?
Bro.
Why? He's done. He's done driving. And he said he's gone faster than he ever has.
I already got a backflip. This is good. We're okay so far. That was so fun to drift, just taking it sideways. Yeah, there's about like 3 solid jumps. After a few laps, you feel more comfortable to actually take them. Seeing this online or on your phone and seeing it in real life, you really got to pinch yourself because this is unreal. I think as I've gotten older, I appreciate it that much more, especially seeing it here, seeing everything that Travis put into building this compound and then riding it. That's cool, but the hospitality, just like, he treats you like a best friend. Yeah, he treats you like family. You've known him forever. Yeah. And a one-on-one coaching for the backflips is unreal. I didn't expect to do a backflip today. I don't think I would have been able to do one if I was coached by anyone else. He's a backflip whisperer.
Yeah.
I did not expect him to treat us with a double backflip today, and it was so clean. And here we go.
We just finished up an amazing day here at Pastranaland for the 43 Institute Day, and I mean, I would assume that everybody has a great time because
I had a good time. Did you guys have a good time?
Everybody did.
Yeah, great time.
Yes.
Only one dislocated shoulder,
Yeah.
but it went back in.
And one
Twice.
bent bar, one very bent bar on a pit bike.
That's replaceable.
Small sacrifice.
Somehow it all happened to the same person.
Yeah, that was definitely like one of the top experiences of my entire life. Would you say the same?
100%.
Yeah.
Well worth it.
Wow.
I'm sorry, y'all were awesome.
But
I feel like, yeah,
Thank you.
it was a pleasure,
It's the
sir.
greatest day of my life. Besides when my kids were born and I got married.
Yeah, you got it.
Gotta throw that in there.
Thank you, everyone that bid for 43i. Thank you for all that you do, Blockhouse Racing. And until next time, thanks for coming out.